Morning everyone, our session is now called to order. Yung ano mo? Please rise for our invocation. And to be followed by our national anthem.
Manalangin tayo. Panginoong Diyos, itinataas namin ang iyong pangalan. Pinapupurihan at pinasasalamatan ka namin sa lahat ng iyong mga ginawa at pagpapala. Salamat sa panibagong araw na ipinagkaloob mo sa amin. At sa oras na ito na kami ay muling natipon. Gabayan niyo po kami sa aming mga gawain. Bigyan mo po kami ng talino at lakas upang magampanan po namin ang aming mga tungkulin. Buksan mo po ang aming isip at puso sa mga bagong kaalaman na aming matututunan. At nawa ay maging kagamit-gamit ang mga ito sa aming buhay at sa pagtulong sa aming kapwa. Ikaw po nawa ang maluwalhati sa lahat ng aming katagumpayan sa araw na ito. Ito lamang po ang aming dalangin sa pangalan ni Jesus. Amen.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Alright. The Secretary, kindly roll the call. There is a quorum to transact official business, Madam.
The Honorable Samuel D. Villacrucis, the Honorable Lisa T. Chua, the Honorable Mario M. Calat, the Honorable Fred A. Gatongay Jr., the Honorable Michael L. Jorda, the Honorable L.D.M. Bantal, the Honorable Larry G. Galang, the Honorable Nene P. Sahibol, the Honorable Jesse G. Galang, and the Honorable Shira P. Reyes. 7 council members are in attendance.
So we have a quorum to transact official business. Minutes. Order of business, you mean? Okay. So we'll have 5 minutes recess. Session resume. So let's proceed to letter E. Business for the day. Number 1, communication from Municipal Mayor Abner Rafael N. Tesorio requesting to pass an ordinance authorizing the local chief executive to sign contract to sale and or deed of sale in favor of A. Carmen Citael Onda, 43,247 square meters. Letter B, Norela Isame, 20,000 square meters. Losi Tan, 13,099 square meters. D. Rostom Tan, 30,000 square meters. So, sponsored by the Committee on Finance.
Hello.
Go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding. Draft Ordinance Number 2025-313, authorizing the Honorable Municipal Mayor Abner Rafael N. Tesorio to enter into and sign a contract to sell and order deed of sale on behalf of the municipality with Carmencita Onda, Noralyn Isami, Lucy Bitan, Rostom Bitan for the acquisition of their respective parcels of land corollary to the approved and funded lot acquisition project of the municipal government. Sponsored by yours truly. Be it enacted as hereby enacted by the Sangguniang Bayan that Section 1, legal basis, this ordinance is enacted pursuant to the power vested in the local government unit LGU under Republic Act Number 7160, otherwise known as the Local Government Code of 1991, specifically Section 22C, which states that no contract may be entered by the local chief executive in behalf of the local government unit without prior authorization by the Sangguniang concerned. This is also consistent with the Section 444B6, which empower the municipal mayor to, upon authorization by the Sangguniang Bayan, represent the municipality in all its business transactions and sign on this behalf all bonds, contracts, and obligations and such other documents made pursuant to law or ordinance. Section 2, Declaration of Purpose. The municipality of Sophronia Española has identified the need to acquire a certain parcel of land for the purpose of relocating the public market and terminal municipal building, among others. This project is crucial for the public welfare and for the socio-economic development of the municipality. The acquisition of the subject lots is then the most expeditious and cost-effective method to achieve this public purpose. Section 3, authorization. The Honorable Municipal Mayor Abner Rafael N. Tesorio is hereby authorized to enter into contract to sell with the following lot owner for the acquisition or their properties herein cited. Number 1, Carmencita Yacona Onda, owner of 43,257 square meter land covered by OCT number E-7159 065 20220000257, denominated as lot 8272 CED 796-D, agreed acquired for 43,852,730 pesos. Letter B, Noralyn Satul Isami, owner of 22,369 square meter, land covered by OCT number B5037, denominated as lot 8265 CED 796-D, agreed to be acquired for 20,274,728 pesos. Letter C, Lucy Bantogtan, owner of 30,000 square land covered by TCD number TC5012, denominated as lot 8270-B, PSD-04-152787, AR agreed to be acquired for 30,420,650 pesos. And Roston Bantogtan Jr., owner of 13,099 square meter, land covered by TCD number TC5011, denominated as lot of 8270-E, PSD-04-152787 AR, agreed to be acquired for 13,278,250 pesos. This authorization shall include the power to negotiate and agree upon the necessary changes on the terms and condition of the sale in accordance with the LGU's approved budget and existing laws, rules and regulation, particularly on government procurement thereafter upon completion of the requisites and condition of the contract to sale. The municipal mayor is further authorized to sign for municipal government of Sopronio Española the deed of absolute sale. Section 4, Inclusion. This ordinance shall include as integral part of copies and amendment, contract to sale and or deed of sale to be entered into by the municipal mayor and landowners. Section 5, Separability Clause. If any provision of the ordinance is declared invalid or unconstitutional, the remaining provision not affected thereby shall continue to be in full force and effect. Section 6, Effectivity. This ordinance shall take effect upon is approved and after completing the posting requirements in last 3 days, 3 conspicuous public place with the municipality. So enacted.
Any comments or amendments regarding the draft ordinance 25-313? And authorizing the Honorable Mayor Abner Rafael Antisorio to enter into the signed contract to sale, no deed to sale, and in behalf of the municipality, with Carmen Zeta L. Onda, Noralyn Sami, Lucitan, Rostumtan for the acquisition of the respective parcel of land corollary to the approved and funded lot acquisition project in the municipality of municipal government. So, there's none. Okay.
Clarification lang on the second page. I think ilang paragraph ito? 1, 2, 3, 4 paragraph.
Comfort.
This authorization shall include the power to negotiate and agree upon other necessary changes on the terms and condition of the sale in accordance with the LGU approved budget and existing rules. Gusto ko lang pong i-clarify, ano yung mga possible na ini-negotiate kung sakasakali. Or bago sagutin yung tanong ko, based on the cover letter, nasa 10 plus hectares yata yung bibilhin. Dito sa cover letter, medyo may discrepancy. It is reflected na 20 square meter. However, on the other documents, it is reflected na 22,000 square meter. So, ano po ang tama? 20,000 square meter or 22,000 square meter?
Ano na po lahat ng mga questions niya.
Paki-take note lang yung discrepancy. Based on the cover letter, Noralyn Isisami is 20,000 square meter. But based on the draft ordinance, ang naka-reflect po ay 22,369 square meter.
22,369.
Ganon din kay Onda, Madam? Mayroon ding discrepancy. So, baka pwedeng i-rectify ito so that on the next session, klaro na yung mga figure. 43,247, 257 naman dito sa draft as noticed by SB Nina Sahibol. Oo. So, pwede namang iwanan natin yan, Mr. Presiding Officer. At least, please note on the comment para ma-reflect on the next session na yung totoong figure na. Now, on my question, anong coverage ng negotiation na sinasabi dito? Okay. Ayon sa ating pagkakadinig dito sa session hall, magkano po per hectares? 9.8 or 10 million? Magkano po per hectare? 980 per square meter or 1,000 per square meter? Para once and for all, malaman po natin, kasi it is already documented. So, magkano po yung lupa? Magkano po yung lupa? Sino po ang pwedeng sumagot na accurate? Magkano po yung lupa? 980 per square meter or say 9,800,000 per hectare or 1,000 pesos per square meter or 10 million per hectare. So, magkano po?
Sige po, tanong lang.
O, tanong lang po kayo
Tanong ko. Pangalawa.
para ma-internalize ko rin po. Although, sabi nga, ito ay approved ng 11th SB, siyempre, pinag-uusapan natin ngayon ito. And we are invited to attend this special session. So, magkano po talaga yung lupa?
Magkano?
900. Kasi ganito po yun, Mr. Presiding. Based on my research, dapat i-reflect natin sa contract to sell if how many hectares or how many number of square meter and the corresponding amount. So meaning to say, kung ano ang naka-reflect sa contract to sell, yun din dapat ang naka-reflect sa resolution. Ngayon, just in case na mayroon pang negotiation, i-finalize muna natin yung negotiation. Kasi, andito na tayo sa paggawa ng contract to sell. Pag sinabing contract to sell, yun na yun eh. Hindi na pwedeng baguhin yun kapag napirmahan ng both parties. Ngayon, just in case na mayroon pang mangyayaring negotiation along the way, ilis natin dito sa contract to sell yung paragraph na may negotiation. Dapat ang negotiation will happen before the contract to sell. Para kung bumibili ng isda 300 per kilo, makikipag-negotiate ako, pwede bang 240? So pagkatapos ng negotiation, dapat yung i-reflect natin sa contract to sell at saka sa resolution ay yung accurate na.
Number 3. Number 3, also.
Yun lang.
Dalawa. So,
anong comment? Anong response?
Sandali po, pa-after niya. Ang tanong po ay kung ano ang laki. Pangalawa kung magkano po talaga. Pakisagot na lang po.
Mr. Presiding, nakalagay po dito sa ating 1.1.3, 900 per square meter po yung kanyang yung price po niya, 980 per square meter.
980
per square meter po. Ito po sa kanilang
per square meter.
sa kanilang
So, yung laki, yun na. Yung dati.
Opo.
Ito na.
Ang pagkaalam ko, Mr. Presiding, lastly, nag-usap po together with ang mga lot owners. Nagkaroon po ng pagbabago yung kanilang mga deploy na ibibinta. So, tinawagan ko kanina si Budget. Ito daw po yung final Ito po yung
Itong
final.
nasa papel natin.
Opo. Ito po yung sa final na papel po. So, pinoward po ito sa atin, Mr. Presiding. Sila nakakaalam pati ng mga owner. So, ito po yung ating approbahan po. Thank you very much.
So, ito na. Sige. Apa? Okay.
Ulitin ko lang po, as mentioned by SB Tuto Katungay, what is reflected on the cover page ay ito na mismo. Am I right?
Opo. Sa draft ordinance number 2025-313.
Hindi po, Mr. Presiding. Itong nasa cover letter, kaya nga tinatanong ko, kung yung bago at totoo as of this moment, ay yung naka-reflect ba dito sa cover page na nakasaad na 43,247 square meter
Ayan
for
po.
Carmencita. Noralin Isami is 20,000 square meter. Lositan, 13,099 square meter. And Rostom Tan is 30,000 square meter.
Yes.
Ito ba yung bago at totoo ngayon?
Ito po yung pinansin.
Yan ang nakausap mo si budget.
Okay.
Sige.
Regardless, what I'm trying to drive is kung anong naka-reflect dito sa cover page na tinitestify po ni SB Tuto Katungay na ito na yung totoo, dapat yun din ang makita natin sa contract to sell.
Okay. Sige. Opo. Correct. Correct.
At 980 per square
Per
meter.
square.
Okay.
Sige. Sige.
Another comment. Ang gagawin natin today na ordinansa is just to authorize our local chief executive to enter into contract. Tama po ba, Mr. Presiding?
Correct.
So, ibig sabihin, wala pang bayaran. My comment is, bago magkabayaran, dapat may transfer muna in the name of the local government unit yung property. May mga requirements po tayo at checklist kung paano po bumili ng isang property ang isang local government unit. Para maiwasan po natin yung mga the same circumstances or incident na nangyari na. So, gawin lang natin para, actually, I have no against. Nandiyan na yan eh, bibili na natin yan. So, kailangan lang kapag na-bind itong contract to sell, dapat i-fast track yung pag-transfer ng property in the name of the local government unit. Violation yun kung babayaran natin na hindi pa nakatransfer. I-transfer muna natin.
Must be transferred to the land.
Anyway, mayroon na rin contract.
Title must be transferred to local government.
Then, dito sa notice of the conference, bakit tricky ito? For me, it is a tricky, no? We are authorizing the local chief executive to enter into contract na contract to sell. Bakit may and or date of sale? Iba kasi ang contract to sell sa date of sale. May ano ba talaga ang ating pinag-uusapan ngayon? Contract to sell o contract to sell?
Dalawa. Contract to sale / deed of sale.
Correct.
Correct.
Kaya that's why I'm saying na contract to sell muna for the meantime,
Yes po.
then i-fast track natin yung transfer of property, then saka magbayaran.
Yes. Tama.
Sige lang.
Tama yun.
Hello, Mr. Presiding. Ako naman,
The gentleman from Panitian mo na. Siya na una dun sa restroom.
Pinuntahan ko na, sorry.
To be followed by the gentleman from Police Center, Sir Mario Kilat. Okay?
Okay. Mr. Presiding, as my own knowledge, after deed of sale, after magkabayaran po, magkaroon ng deed of sale, mga 1 month pa po yan mapaprocess yung mga papel. Kasi mayroon po ang following documents na kailangan nating asikasuhin. Di ba po? On my own knowledge po ha. And then, nakalagay po dito, contract to sell and deed of sale. After ng contract to sell by municipal mayor, magkakaroon po tayo ng deed of sale.
Yes,
Yun naman po, malinaw naman po nakalagay po dito.
kontrata mo na bago deed of sale.
Yes, we have do the contract to sell. After that, we have go to the deed of sale. Okay. Ay, sorry. Si Kagawad, kilat na naman. Sorry.
Okay, the next, sir,
sagutin ko.
kindly please,
Sige.
nasabi na natin eh.
Sasagutin ko lang yung sabi.
Sige po, after that.
Mr. Presiding, agree po ako doon sa sinabi ni SB Katunggay.
Aha.
Yun din po sana sasabihin ko.
Agree, okay, sige, next, okay. Next, okay.
Agree din ako. However, pwede ba nating isama sa paragraph na yan na kasi ang pinag-uusapan natin dito is contract to sell and or deed of sale.
And or,
Pwede ba nating i-reflect sa fourth paragraph na siyempre contract to sell nga? Diba? Tapos
Yes, po.
sinasabi na after a month na ma-provide yung other requirements, mag-deed of sale. Tama
yes,
din naman.
yes, tama.
Pwede ba nating i-reflect yan sa paragraph na yan? Na regardless kung ano man yung magiging requirements or other documents pertinent to the purchase of land, pwede bang i-reflect natin na after transferring in the name of the LGU, doon papasok yung deed of sale?
Yes,
Wala naman siguro masama, di ba?
yes po, tama po.
So, i-revise lang, i-reword lang siya na contract to sell, then deed of sale after na matransfer in the name of local government unit of Sofronio Española.
Deed of sale muna. Deed of sale.
Ha? Hindi. Mag-research tayo. Hindi pwedeng magkabayaran hanggat hindi natatransfer sa pangalan ng LGU. Hindi tayo bumili sa palengke. Real property ito.
Kung ano yung sasabihin na lang ng abogado.
Opo.
Ha?
Sa akin
Kung
po.
ano na lang.
Opo, hello po.
Sige po.
Sa akin pong pagkaalam, deed of sale muna bago TCT. Ganun po
Transfer
talaga.
certificate of
Opo,
title lang.
deed of sale muna. Kasi ang babasihan doon sa BIR, yung deed of sale. Kasi dadaan pa yan sa BIR kasi mayroong 7.5, 7.5 tama. Tax, di ba po?
Tax.
Doon yung ipaprocess sa BIR. Kaya deed of sale muna bago TCT. Yan
Correct,
po.
correct. Yung sa normal na mga bilihan, kasi tayo nakakabili rin ng mga maliliit na lote, yung pangalan ng tao, tapos ikaw, yung pangalan mo, pangalan niya, pangalan mo, magkasundo kayo na tinatawag ng deed of sale, na lahat ng kanyang mga ari-arian o kung ano man nandun sa loob, ita-transfer niya na sa iyo. Pero ang pangalan na yun po ay hindi pa kaagad-agad matitutuluhan sa iyo.
Mr. Presiding,
Yes po.
tama din.
Tama.
Pero iba yung pagbili ng property na sa gobyerno, hindi ito
Yes.
personal.
Yes po, apo. Aha.
So, anyway, first reading pa lang naman ito. Ha?
Excuse po, itong sa tawag nito, special session kasi, pwede itong ano na po.
Hindi ba natin ihiwalay
first,
yung-
second, and third final
Hindi
reading?
ba natin pwedeng ihiwalay, Mr. Presiding, yung contract to sell sa deed of sale? Pwede naman natin itong itakil kapag tatapos na yung contract to sell eh.
Contract to sale and or na ito. And or
Yan na
deed of sale.
Yan na nga.
Bago gagawa sa court ng deed of sale. Deed of sale talaga ang court yung nagawa nun. Nakamutayo.
Mahirap kasi yung, iba-iba yung idea kasi natin.
Apo.
So, kung mayroong discrepancy or contradiction, pwede naman tayong mag-inquire. Maring mali ako, tama kayo. Or vice versa, maring tama ako,
Apo. Correct.
mali tayo.
Apo.
Kasi sa aking pagkakaalam, hindi ito personal na property. Ito ay property ng
Gobyerno. Yes,
Kaya nga, bakit pag tayo ba'y bumibili ng lupa, personal na to, contract to sale ba tayo? Wala. Diretso sa barangay at sa deed of sale.
Correct. Correct.
Iba po ito. Iba po ito. Ngayon, kung itutuloy nyo yan, ituloy nyo lang. Kasi, anyway, pag nagbotohan naman, mananalo naman yan eh. Ang akin lang, bino-voice out ko lang kung ano yung suggestion ko at comment ko.
Sige po. So, ano comment?
Mr. Presiding.
Mr. Proponent, okay?
First of all, I salute SB Villacruz.
Yes,
I salute that one. But, gaya ng sinabi Mr. Presiding, Magkwento lang ako saglit din. When I am barangay captain po. Ganun po ang process eh. Kasi yung mga documents na hindi po natin ma-provide, may link po yan na pinag-uusapan. So, mauna po talaga kayo doon sa contract to sale. After all na ma-provide po yung mga papers, magkaroon po kayo ng pag-uusap 1 month, 60 days, ganito ganon, bago po magkaroon ng deed of sale. Yun po yung nangyari sa akin na ito, based on my experience being a barangay captain po. So pero sabi ko nga po, I'm Salot SB Sam. Mas maganda naman po itong ganito. Mr. Presiding. So, Mr. Presiding, ulitin ko po, mauna po talaga yung contract to sell. And after that, yung ating deed of sale po.
Sige. So, sige. Para marinig natin. Sige.
Kasi po, Mr. Presiding, kanina ito po yung binasa ni ano. So, gusto ko lang pong maano dito, yung kay Carmesita Liacuna Onda, owner of 43,257 square meter, land covered by OTC number E-065-2022-0000257, denominated as Lot 8272, CED 7-796D, agreed to be acquired for 43,852,730 pesos. So po, paki-check lang po, Madam Secretary, kasi po, kung ibase po natin sa 980 per square meter, hindi po ito yung tama. So, ito kasi din po yung binasa kanina. So, sana po ma-correct po. Yun lang po.
First trans, second trans lang. First trans, second trans.
Opo, Mr. Presiding. Gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, Mr. Presiding, yung final po na pag-uusap po between the lawyer and yung mga owner is yan po yung sinubmit po nila ngayon. Ayun din po sa kay accountant, sa kay budget kanina, ito po yung final.
Okay.
So, yun po yung ating susundin, Mr. President.
Alright, sige. So, kung malinaw na rin naman, at ito na yung ating susundin. So, anyway, bahala na sila dyan. Basta sa atin dito, ito yung binigay nilang mga figure. Importante lang malinaw dito sa ating galing na ito po, no? Ito na. Yan, okay na. Sige.
Ano po yung sige, Mr. President?
Yan, naiintindihan ko na. Oo. Yan ang importante, alam natin eh.
Okay.
So,
may first trans kasi, Mr. President, pinag-usapan ko kasi sila.
Yeah.
So, out tayo doon mo yun ang kanila.
Oo. Alright. If there's none, kindly move.
Thank you very much, Mr. Presiding. I move that draft ordinance number 2025-313 authorizing the Honorable Municipal Mayor Abner Rafael N. Tesorio to enter into and sign and contract to sell and or deed of sale on behalf of the municipal with Carmencita Il Onda, Noralin Isami, Lucy Bitan, Rostom Bitan for the acquisition for the respective parcels of land corollary to the approved and funded lot acquisition project of the municipal government. Municipal government, basahin ko na rin po, Mr. Presiding. Number 1, Carmelita Elonda, 43,247 square meter. Number 2, Noralin S. Isami, 20,000 square meter. Number 3, Lusitan, 13,999 square meter. And number 4, Rostom Tan, 30,000 square meter. And I move this, Mr. Presiding, the second and third and final reading.
So we move. on the first and second and third reading, and has been seconded by the two gentlemen from Interior and Police Center. The draft resolution number 2025
Ordinance, Mr. President.
or ordinance rather 2025-313 and authorizing the Honorable Mayor Abner Tesorio to enter into sign of contract to sale and deed of sale or deed of sale in behalf of the municipality with the Carmencita L. Onda Noralensame Lucitan Rosentan Jr. for the acquisition the respective parcel of lands corollary to the approved and funded lot acquisition project of the municipal government is right adopted.
Thank you very much, Mr. President.
Alright, in the letter F, adjournment. Kindly adjourn po. SB? SB Katungay? Kindly adjourn. May inclusion ka pa?
Opo, Mr. Presiding.
Ano include mo?
Ay, ito yung Mr. Presiding kasi yung sa Appropriation Ordinance number 2025-20.
Ano yan? Do you have a draft?
Mayroon po, Mr. Presiding.
Kindly distribute po the draft. So, ano po ang masasabi ninyo doon sa pag-include ng ating gentleman from panitian?
This is, Mr. Presiding, sorry po, Mr. President. This is a formalidad na may pasok natin kasi may kwan nakaraan. Thank you very much.
The business for today pa. No? Number 2 yan. Number 2. So, silence means yes. Wala namang comment.
Thank you very much, Mr. Presiding.
Okay.
Draft Appropriation Ordinance number 2025-20, amending the source of funds used for purpose of funds on Appropriation Ordinance number 2025-17, titled appropriating the amount of 1,573,434 pesos and 86 hundreds as a supplemental budget number 0 for fiscal year 2025 for executive and legislative services and other identified priority projects on municipal government, sponsored by yours truly, be it enacted as hereby enacted by the Sangguniang Bayan of Sopronia, Española, Palawan, that Section 1, Amendment, Section 2 and 3 of Appropriation Ordinance number 2025-17 are hereby rectified to read and reflect hereunder. Section 2, source of funds. Funds appropriated shall be taken from the source list hereunder as reflected in LBP form number 08. Saving antemortem 2024 below 652,566. Livestock development fees 2024 and below 54,716, 20% development fund 2021-2023, 454,214. Realignment and reversion, personal services savings July 2025, executive department 240,509.50 centavos, personal services savings July 2025. Legislative department 115,350.45. Anti-mortem January to June 2025 by 56,078. Total of 1,573,434.86. Ayan po, Mr. Presiding. So on and so forth naman po ito yung sa kabila.
Ano po, we'll have to 5 minutes recess to give way to po explain po anong ibig sabihin ng mga binabasa mo na yan. Session resume.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Kate.
Put on record. So, kapag yes po? Kay Ma'am Ken, abo. Diba?
Thank you very much, Mr. Presiding. Nakalimutan ko lang, kasi bago ko lang naalala, na yung nung nag-committee hearing nung nakarang araw, ang pinag-usapan po doon sa committee under the leadership of SB Toto is 13 something million doon sa budget ng MDR from 2020 up to 2025 supplemental budget. So nakalimutan lang magkano lang yung 600,000 sana na maislas doon na yun yung binag-usapan. Baka may panahon pa susug lang kay SB Toto kasi 13 million something may point pa. Baka supplemental from 2020 up to 2025. Baka po bago dumating dito sa plenary baka pwede pang makahirit si SB Gatong-Gaydong
Yes
kay
po.
Sir Asag.
Pakilalabi na lang.
Yun lang.
Pakilabi man ni Secretary
Sir
kanina.
Presiding. Thank you po.
Sige, thank you po. Please be
Sinabi
reminded.
ni Secretary kanina yung MDR yung magsisettle.
Okay.
Okay na po. Sige, ikot po natin si yung MDR.
Okay na. Sige.
I move na, Mr. Presiding.
Ayun na yung pagbabago.
Opo.
Okay, sige. So, Madam, please put on record dun sa mga napag-usapan natin kanina na dun sa MDR. Bigay na natin ng papel dun kay
Papel talaga.
chairman ng APRO. Sige.
Thank you very much, Mr. Presiding. I move that draft appropriation ordinance number 2025-20, amending the source of fund and use of purpose of funds and appropriation ordinance number 2025-17, titled appropriating the amount of 1,523,434 pesos 86 as a supplemental budget number 04 fiscal year 2025 for executive and legislative services and other identified priority projects of the municipal government be adopted.
Kasama na dyan ang 600, wala pa?
Wala pa po. I-rerito po yan po. Separate po yan, Mr. Presiding.
Kala ko nandyan na eh.
Hindi yan dito. 1.5 lang dito. Yung pag ano lang ito, yung pag ayos lang ng papel po.
Supplemental budget number 1 amounting to how much?
1573.
1,573,000 434 pesos. 0.86 pesos is hereby adopted. On third and final reading.
Sorry. Thank you very much, Mr. President.
So any other inclusion? Kasi nasa inclusion pa tayo. Kung mayroon kayong i-include pa dyan na mga sabong dyan o kung ano. Wala na. Okay na, boy? Okay na. Miss Belisa, wala na? Miss Bisam, kayo po. Opo, sige. Para bago tayo mag-adjourn.
Nabanggit kasi ni Madam Secretary na namasyal dito si accountant.
Opo.
Inimbitahan mo ba yon? Kaya namasyal? Oh. Pag hindi inimbitahan, pumupunta. Bakit pag iniimbitahan, ayaw pumunta? Kaya pakikiguan lang, pakirelay lang sa kanya. Ako ka mo nagpapatanong.
Sige. Ipatanong na lang po kung bakit hindi nakapunta si accountant. Tama naman yan. Sige. Oo. Okay. So may kinailangan lang siguro si kay Sek. Okay. Sek? Ano? Wala na? Parang wala na? Okay. Kung wala na po paki-adjourn na lang.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding.
Yes, bro.
Sanang wala na rin lang talagang tatalakayin. Inumungkay ko po na ang ating special na pagpupulong, special session as to adjourn.
Yes. It's been momentarily seconded our special session on the 12th Sangguniang Bayan held on September 25, 2025 is hereby adjourned.